Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to give you a short review about the banana weight loss drop. This company claims that it can really reduce your weight in about fast speed, and they can really reduce your weight up to 15 to 20 kg in a month. So we will check the website that is it really legit or is it fake. Banana drops are said to be a new weight loss solution. So they use natural ingredients and promise very big results. So now we will simply check all the details about it. So is it legit or is it scam? So the website looks very professional and the claims sound good. However, we found some problem you should know about before buying it. First is suspicious reviews. The reviews on the website seem very fake. Many reviews might be made up with videos and photos that could be from other website or created by a third-party services. So they are not actual photo. New website. So as you can see, new website can be risky because they don't have history of the customer satisfaction or they don't have any trust value in the market. So you cannot trust them blindly. Third is limited payment options. You can only pay with credit card. This might seem normal, but it's a common trick. For scam website, good businesses usually offer multiple payment options. Fourth is lack of transparency. The website claims the product is FDA approved but does not show any proof of it. They also say that they are based in the USA but don't give a physical address. This makes it hard to trust them. Fifth is they have really unclear policies for their business. They mention 60-day return policy, but whenever you try to return it, they won't accept your call or they won't accept your email or anything, any request from you. So this is how you can know that is it really legit or is it scam. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the